First, switch off the machine. Press the settings button, hold it, and then switch on the machine. Settings will come. Again, press the first button. Settings mode double. Press the settings button. And we have to set the stock for A1. Press the enter button like this to increase the stock. I am setting it for 35. You can press and hold to increase the stock. $35 and then press set button. Now price for A1. Again enter button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rupees is the price we are setting it. And then press the settings button. Now the stock for A2. Press the enter button. I am setting it 35. A2 stock is 35. Now press the settings button. Now price for A2. Enter button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am setting it as 5 rupees. Now press the settings button. Now again press the settings button. Once again settings button. Now restart the machine. You have to switch off and wait for 2 seconds. And then switch on the machine. Now the stock is not updated. To update the stock, we have to press A1 settings and A2 settings. Now the stock is updated as 35 and the price is 5. After vending, if you want to reset the stock, just you have to press A1 and settings button to update the stock and A2 to update the stock. That's all. No need to set for each time. Thank you.